Hi, I'm Lisa.
And I'm Dwayne.
Welcome to our channel. And we are excited to announce that we have become slow travelers.
Yep, we sold it all and we're living out of 2 small suitcases.
Exactly.
But why did we do this? Well, we decided to do it because we want to see the world and not be too old to enjoy it, to be able to get around and be mobile.
We want to do it together. And we like going on vacation, but typically we want to spend more time there and feel less rushed. Like we want to enjoy versus hopping from tourist to tourist spot. We've decided that our budget is going to be $48,000 a year, which is about $4,000 a month. And that's going to include our travel. It has to, including our airfare getting from place to place.
We're going to spend about 28 to 30 days at each place, simply because we get a better discount on VRBO, Airbnb. The longer the stay, the better the discount, and we're trying to squeeze every penny we can.
How do we pay for it, Dwayne?
Well, where's it coming from? We are not inherited rich. No. We rented our 5-bedroom house for about $2,500 a month, and that includes the expenses and everything. That's what we're getting back. And then based upon our Swedish death cleans, which is in our other video, we have an average of $1,500 a month to go back into it, which gives us our $4,000 a month. Mm-hmm. We've saved travel points on our cards too. We paid for everything that we could, so we do have some advantages there.
Yeah, so we think that's going to last us about a year. And we're hoping that within that year, we can build our YouTube channel, and hopefully the YouTube channel will compensate for the Swedish death cleaning money that we kind of saved up. Yes. So we'll see how it goes.
We're not dipping into savings. We are not taking out a retirement. So It means we have to come back. We have to come back.
Yes. And we want to be really transparent about like our money and where our money is coming from. Before deciding to do this, we've watched a lot of other slow travelers on YouTube, and we love the content and enjoy it. But I think our generation is hesitant to like share money and how much you make, how much you don't make. And we want to know and be open with that. So
we have loved Grounded for Life. That's they're making it.
Yeah.
And are they the 1%?
Yeah.
Are they the one lottery winner and done? We want to see if we can do it. And we've got some big fears too.
We do. I'm really scared of missing our friends, our family, our kids, my dog.
I'm really afraid of getting out of shape. I mean, I will miss the kids too, but I'm getting out of shape. I don't want to be fat. I don't want to be out of shape. That's the whole reason why we've done this.
Mm-hmm. And when we go on vacation, we tend to eat a lot and drink a lot. And it takes us weeks after vacation to sort of get our health and fitness back in routine. And then finally, I'm scared of running out of money. Like,
what happens if we come back and have to buy all that other stuff from the Swedish death cleanse?
Yeah, we don't want to do that. So that goes back to this channel. We would really appreciate that after a year, if you would like us and subscribe to our videos, it's free, and we promise to provide good quality, slow travel content. And we're going to be, fully transparent about our finances, how much it costs. If we can hit that $4,000 mark, even if we have to eat rice and beans at the end, we will tell you the truth.
2, we're going to show you our scale, the weight, the body fat percentage, and the lean muscle mass. So you're going to get to see it all.
All. And then 3, just an overview of the place. Like, is it affordable? Does it promote a healthy lifestyle? What the Airbnb look like that we rented, if we would go back there, and if it might be a location that we would want to visit long-term or even possibly live in.
So if you've liked everything that you've heard so far, or if you just want to see us get broke,
fail.
Get back and fail, give us a like and a subscribe. We'd love to have you on our adventures.
Yeah, we appreciate it. Thank you.